እንደምን አላችሁ ውድ ተማሪዎች። በዛሬው ዕለት የምናየው የ11ኛ ክፍል የሂስትሪ ትምህርትን ዩኒት 8 ነው። ይሄ ዩኒት 8 ፖለቲካል ሶሻል ኤንድ ኢኮኖሚክ ፕሮሰስ ኢን ኢትዮጵያ ፍሮም ሚድ 16 ቱ ሚድ 19 ሴንቸሪ እዚህ ቶፒክ ላይ 120 ጥያቄዎችን አዘጋጅተናል ለዚህ የዩቲዩብ ቻናል የሚሆን። ስለዚህ እነዚህን 120 ጥያቄዎች በፓርት 1 2 እና 3 ይዘን እንቀርባለን። ለዛሬ ፓርት 1 እናያለን። የዚህ ቶፒክ ዋናው ዓላማ ምንድነው? ለክፍላችሁ የፈተና ዝግጅት እንዲሁም ደግሞ ለኢንትራንስ ኤግዛም እንድትዘጋጁ ነው። ከ9ኛ እስከ 12ኛ ክፍል ያሉ የሂስትሪ፣ ጂኦግራፊ እና ኢኮኖሚክስ የትምህርት አይነቶችን እንደዚህ በጥያቄ መልክ እያዘጋጀን እንገኛለን። ሌሎቹንም እዚህ የዩቲዩብ ቻናል ላይ ማግኘት ትችላላችሁ። ከዩኒት 1 እስከ መጨረሻ ያሉ ሁሉንም የትምህርት አይነቶች ያጠቃለለ ማለት ነው። ለእያንዳንዱ የትምህርት አይነት አንዳንድ መጽሐፍ አዘጋጅተናል በፒዲኤፍ ወይም በሶፍት ኮፒ። መጽሐፎቹን መግዛት ከፈለጋችሁ እዚህ ጋር በተቀመጡ አድራሻዎች ጻፉልን፣ ኮንታክት አድርጉን። ለዚህ የዩቲዩብ ቻናል አዲስ ከሆናችሁና ሰብስክራይብ ካላረጋችሁ ሰብስክራይብ እያረጋችሁ ቤተሰብ ሆኑ። አብረን እንቀጥላለን። ለአሁኑ ወደ ጥያቄዎቹ እንለፍ። ነምበር 1 which of the following best describes the economic activities of the Omotic people? A. nomadic pastoralism and fishing. B. urban based industrial economy. C. maritime trade and hunting. D. large scale insect cultivation, pastoralism and handcrafts. D. large scale insect cultivation, pastoralism and handcrafts። ስለዚህ እነዚህ ኦሞቲክ ፒፕል የሚባሉት ሞር ኢኮኖሚክ አክቲቪቲያቸው ቤዝድ ኦን ዘ ካልቲቬሽን ኦፍ ኢንሰክት ኤንድ pastoralism and handcrafts። 2. what was the title of the rulers of Kaffa, Yem and Shaka kingdoms? A. ንጉስ. B. ካኦ. C. ታቶ. D. ሱልጣን። C. ታቶ. okay, ታቶ was the title that is given for the kingdom of the rulers of Kaffa, Yem and Shaka. 3. which Omotic kingdom was ruled by the Halmangama and later by the Mowa or Howa dynasty? A. Kaffa. B. Yem. C. Shaka. D. Walaita. B. Yem. okay, Yem was the kingdom initially ruled by the Halmangam Halmangam dynasty. okay. 4. what was the capital of the kingdom of Kaffa? A. Gecha. B. Angar Fochara. C. Bonga. D. Damot. C. Bonga was the capital of the kingdom of Kaffa. 5. what defensive strategy did the kingdom of Kaffa use against external threats? A. building walled fortifications around cities. B. digging trenches along the frontiers. C. establishing a naval fleet. D. constructing underground tunnels. B. digging trenches along the frontiers. okay, this is the defensive strategy for that use the kingdom of Kaffa, okay, against for the external threats. 6. who was the last king of Kaffa before its incorporation into the Ethiopian Empire? A. Kai Sharachu. B. Gali Sharachi. C. Gaki Sharachu. D. Gobi. okay, C. Gaki Sharachu. the Gaki Sharachu, okay, the Tato Gaki Sharachu was the last king of the Kaffa that captured by the Emperor Minilik the second army, okay, in 1897. 7. what was the primary tax collected in the kingdom of Kaffa? A. cattle and musk. B. gold. C. insect. D. coffee. okay, A. cattle and musk. was the many collected form of these two items, the cattle and musk, which were essentially economic resource of the kingdom of Kaffa. 8. What was the significance of Ijjajo Kala in Wolaita? A. It was a religious site. B. It was a major trade route. C. It was a defensive wall against external threats. D. It was a royal palace. C. It was a defensive mechanism. Okay, a defensive mechanism against the external threat. Okay, 9. Which 19th century Wolaita king was the last ruler before the kingdom was incorporated into the Ethiopian Empire? A. Kao Gobi. B. Kao Tonagaga. C. Gali Gawochi. D. Techi Nachwich. B. Kao Tonagaga. Okay, this was the Kao Tona was the last king of the Wolaita. Okay, before it was incorporated into the Ethiopian Empire in 1894. 10. What role did the Council of Seven or Mikerecho play in the Kingdom of Kaffa? A. It served as a military training group. B. It acted as a religious institution. C. It was a political adversary body to the king. D. It was responsible for tax collection. Okay, C. It was a political advisory body to the king. Okay, this was the Council of Seven ወይም ደግሞ ሚኬሬቾ place for the kingdom of Kaffa. Okay. 11. How did the kingdom of Shaka maintain its political and economic relationships? A. Through conquest and forced labor. B. By establishing diplomatic ties with Christian Highland lords. C. Through alliances and trade with their neighboring kingdom. D. By paying tribute to the Ottoman Empire. Okay, C. Through alliances and trade with the neighboring kingdoms. 12. Christianity was introduced to Shaka in the late 16th century by which Ethiopian king? A. አምደ ሲሆን B. ይስሐቅ C. ምኒልክ the second D. ሰርጸ ድንግል. Okay, D. ሰርጸ ድንግል. Okay, ሰርጸ ድንግል, the king ሰርጸ ድንግል is believed to introduce Christianity to the Shaka from the northern Ethiopian highlands. 13. What was the main staple food of the Yam people? A. Wheat. B. Maize. C. እንሰት. D. rice. C. እንሰት. Okay, እንሰት was the staple food of the Yam people, serving as the foundation of their agricultural economy. 14. What was the warrior class of the Wolaita kingdom called? A. Gokka. B. Mikechoro. C. Ancestor. D. Irasho. A. Gokka. Okay, Gokka, the warrior class of the kingdom of Wolaita, and it played the crucial role in defending the kingdom. 15. Which Ethiopian traveler first mentioned the kingdom of Yemen historical records? A. James Bruce. B. Antonio Fernandez. C. Richard Burton. D. Henry Salt. Okay, B. Antonio Fernandez. Okay, the Jesuit traveler. The Antonio Fernandez was the first European to mention the kingdom of Yemen 1614. Okay, this is the European. Okay, the European traveler. 16. What was the significance of the defensive walls of the Dauro known as the Kati Halala Kala? A. They served as a territorial markers to the define Dauro's boundaries. B. They were used to administrative purposes to collect taxes. C. They provided military defense against external invasions. D. They were built to commemorate the reign of Kati Halala. You see, they provide military defense against external invasions. Okay, so the defensive walls, the Dauro, also known as Kati Halala Kala, were built to protect structuring against external threats. ስለዚህ ከውጭ ጠላት ራሳቸውን የሚከላከሉበት አጥር ማለት ነው። ይሄ ካቲ ሃላላ ካላ። 17. Which of the following kingdoms was ruled by the hereditary leaders known as Kao? A. Gamo. B. Dauro. C. Gaufa. D. Boz. A and C. Okay, D. Boz and C. Okay, both the Gamo and Gaufa kingdom had hereditary rulers known as the Kao. Okay, in the Gamo kingdom, each village or dare had its own cow, while the Gaufa, the cow was sacred king with the dual administrative system. 18. What was the staple food of the Highland Gamo people? A. Maize. B. Insects. C. Sorghum. D. Coffee. Okay, B. Insect. 19. What was the main local currency used in the Gaufa kingdom? A. Gold. B. Salt. C. Iron bars. D. Cattle. Okay, C. Iron bars. The economy of the Gaufa kingdom relied on agriculture and iron bars, which were used in the main form of local currency for the traded transactions. 20. Which institution served as the judicial and administrative council of the Kambata people? A. Lua. B. Yajoka Kicha. C. Sera. D. Hambarcho. Okay, D. Hambarcho. The Hambarcho council composed of 7 members of representing the 7 clans of the Kambata, carried out the administrative and judicial duties at higher level. 21. The Lua system of the Sidama people was similar to which of the following governance systems? A. The Gada system of the Oromo. B. The Kao system of the Gamo. C. The Bali system of the Gedio. D. The Waga system of Gaufa. Okay, A. The Gada system of Oromo. Okay, so the Lua system of the Sidama was the age grade governance structure similar to the Oromo Gada system. Okay. 22. What was the main responsibility of the Irakati or reign king in the Gaufa kingdom? A. Conducting warfare. B. Overseeing economic activities. C. controlling rainfall and agricultural fertility. D. leading religious ceremonies. C. controlling rainfall and agricultural fertility. 23. What was the political structure of the Konso people before the late 19th century? A. a centralized monarchy. B. a village-based council of elders. C. a dual governance system with a sacred king. D. a hereditary chieftaincy system. B. a village-based council of elders. 24. The Fiche Chambalala festival celebrated by the Sidama marks the transition which system? A. the Gada system. B. the Lwa system. C. the Wogga system. D. the Kao system. Okay, B. the Lwa system. Okay, the Fiche Chambalala is a New Year festival that signifies the rotation of the leadership of the Lwa system. Okay. 25. Which of the following kingdoms had a customary legal system called Woga? A. Gamo. B. Gurage. C. Dauro. D. Gofa. Okay, D. Gofa. Okay, the Gofa had an intricate customary legal system known as the Woga. 26. The Yajoka Kecha institution of the Gurage people primarily functioned as a what? A. military organization. B. a centralized government. C. a judicial and legislative assembly. D. a tax collecting body. C. a judicial and legislative assembly. 27. Which was the following not responsible for the Chimsa or Sidama elder leaders? A. tax collection. B. military training for defense. C. enforcing the Sera. D. selecting future leaders. A. the tax collection. Okay, the Chimsa were responsible for enforcing the Sera or social constitution, training young men for defense, and selecting future leaders, but they were not involved in the tax collection. 28. The last king of the Gofa, Kao Kama, lost his life in 1891 while fighting against which power? A. the kingdom of Dauro. B. the Ethiopian imperial army. C. the Ottoman empire. D. the kingdom of Kafa. B. the Ethiopian imperial army. Okay, the Kao Kama, the last king of Kafa, was defeated and killed in 1891 during the battle against the Emperor Minilik II's imperial forces. 29. What was the primary economic activities of the Gedio people? A. pastoralism. B. trade and commerce. C. the cultivation of insect. D. mining and metallurgy. C. the cultivation of insect. Okay. 30. What was the name of the customary legal system used in the Siltes people? A. የስልጤ ስራ. B. ወጋ. C. ሴራ ዋማ. D. ላዋ. ኦኬ ኤ የስልጤ ሴራ. ኦኬ የስልጤ ሴራ had the Siltes had their own customary legal system known as the Siltes ሴራ or ሜላጋ or ደግሞ ሜላጋ ሴራ which regulates social and legal matters. ኦኬ ሶ የዛሬውን የክፍል 1 የሂስትሪ ጥያቄና መልስ በዚሁ ጨርሰናል። ክፍል 2 እና 3ን ይዘን እንቀርባለን በሚቀጥለው። እስካሁን ባሉ ጥያቄዎች ዙሪያ እንዲሁም ሌሎች አስተያየቶች ካሉ ኮሜንት ላይ ጻፉልኝ። ሂስትሪ፣ ጂኦግራፊ እና ኢኮኖሚክስ ከ9ኛ ክፍል እስከ 12ኛ ክፍል ለኢንትራንስ ኤግዛም እንዲሁም ደግሞ ለክፍላችሁ የፈተና ዝግጅት እንዲያግዙ ጥያቄዎችን እያዘጋጀን እንገኛለን። እነዚህ ጥያቄዎች ለእያንዳንዱ የትምህርት አይነት ከዩኒት 1 እስከ መጨረሻው ሁሉንም ጥያቄዎችን የያዘ መጽሐፍ አዘጋጅተናል። ይህ መጽሐፍ አጋዥ መጽሐፍ በፒዲኤፍ ወይም በሶፍት ኮፒ መግዛት ከፈለጋችሁ እዚህ ጋር በተቀመጠው አድራሻ መሰረት ጻፉልን። ለዚህ ዩቲዩብ ቻናል አዲስ ከሆናችሁና ሰብስክራይብ ካላረጋችሁ ሰብስክራይብ እያረጋችሁ ቤተሰብ ሆኖ አብረን እንቀጥላለን። በሚቀጥለው በሌላ ቶፒክ እስከምንገናኝ ሰላም።